Hey there, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we're talking about the best heavy-duty commercial blender for serious kitchens and high-demand use. If you need power, safety, and smooth performance all in one machine, this one might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out. Let's get started. Today, we're checking out the Biolimix T5200 Heavy-Duty Commercial Blender. This blender is built for professional kitchens, busy smoothie bars, and anyone who blends large batches every day. At the center of the Biolimix T5200 Heavy-Duty Commercial Blender is a strong 2200-watt motor. This high-speed motor is designed to crush tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, nuts, and thick mixtures without slowing down. That means smoother blends and less waiting time even during busy hours. One of the best things about the Biolimix T5200 is its variable speed control. You can easily adjust the speed depending on what you're making. If you want a gentle mix for soft ingredients, you can lower the speed. If you need full power for harder items, just turn it up. This gives you better control over texture and consistency. Along with that, it also has an automatic timer. You can set the blending time and let the machine do the work. This is perfect in a commercial kitchen where multitasking is important. There is also a pulse feature that gives an instant boost to maximum speed. This is very helpful when ingredients get stuck or when you want short bursts of power to refresh the mix. It keeps everything moving smoothly without stopping the whole process. Safety is a big focus in the Biolimix T5200 Heavy-Duty Commercial Blender. It comes with a safety lock switch that automatically cuts off the motor if the jar tilts during operation. This protects both the user and the machine. On top of that, it includes overheating and overload protection. If the motor starts to get too hot or is pushed too hard, the system steps in to prevent damage. A high-powered cooling fan works quickly to lower the motor temperature, helping the blender run smoothly for longer periods. And if it ever overloads, there's an overload reset switch so you can safely get it running again without stress. The design is also very practical. The jar has a removable cap on the top so you can add ingredients while blending without making a mess. This small detail makes a big difference in a fast-paced kitchen. The control panel is simple and intuitive, so adjusting speed or setting the timer feels easy and natural. You do not need to be an expert to operate it confidently. Overall, the Biolimix T5200 Heavy-Duty Commercial Blender combines strong performance, smart controls, and important safety features in one solid machine. It is built tough for commercial environments and designed to deliver consistent results every time. This blender means business. If you're interested, check the price link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.